Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is excellent opportunity for students in Google as an associate product manager where you don't need to do coding, right? So that is the excellent news. So Google is hiring for this associate product manager position. And if you see, the role is for all the students which have already passed in 2025 or they are passing in 2026 batch, right? And expected CTC for this position is between 16 to 25 lakhs, and it may be slightly up also, up to 30 lakhs you can expect here. So the position which is there is already on the Google's career site, and I will give the direct link soon. And you can see it mentions that associate product manager, university graduate 2026 start, right? And it says Bangalore, Karnataka, and this is currently in the early phase of recruitment, right? So this is for the students, and minimum qualification from this is basically currently enrolled in or graduated from a degree program with product management, computer science, engineering, data science, math, statistics, or related technical fields. So it does not say it's only computer science. All the engineering branches students can apply if they have background in any of this, in mathematics, in statistics, in engineering, computer science, product management, or any other technical field. So everybody is free to apply. And internship or teaching assistant experience in product management, software development, or similar technical field will be advantage, but this is not compulsory. It's advantage. Experience leading entrepreneurial efforts to outreach within the organization while building cross-functional relationship, and experience preparing and delivering technical presentations to audience through internship, coursework, or extracurricular. That means if you have given any presentation during your internships, coursework, during your courses or extracurricular activities, that is a good point, and they are going to basically consider this as an important criteria for selection for associate product manager role. Now let's talk about the preferred qualifications again in terms of software product development and delivery methodologies. You should be aware. You should not be from coding, but you should be aware of the product development and delivery methodologies which you would have learned. You should have experience applying AIML concepts to build products and features through this thing during your internship or the capstone project or academic work. So they are considering it sufficient if you have done any of the codings in your classes, right, when you are attending the college. Next is technical experience with programming anything again during your engineering time or modeling, pricing, design, and ability to start full time in primary cohort. Onboarding cycle will be April to August 2026. So all those selected will have to be ready to join between April to August 2026. Ability to communicate in English, that is the most important thing here, because they are looking for they are supporting cross functional business relationship in the region. So your communication should be good. And if you see, they need large number of product managers for different divisions, and in this role you will work cross functionality to guide products from conception, that is scratch, to launch of the product. You will be involved with the technical and the business world people, right? So understanding market and user requirements in depth is one of the requirements. You should launch products and feature test performance and iterate quickly. You should work with engineering, marketing, legal, and user experience teams. So it does not involve any coding, but you have to work with various cross-functional teams and develop innovative solutions for problems which has been defined by different region, different product areas, and functions. Now, also it clearly mentioned that this role will begin accepting applications on September 30th. So there are 5 more days to go, but I will give the link where you can apply. It will start from 30th September. Please note, it is not starting today, 30th September, and your joining will be between April to August 2026. You must complete your application before the end of the day, October 28, 2025 to be considered. It's clearly mentioned the last day to apply is October 28th. The first day to apply is September 30th. Thank you in advance for your patience while our team reviews. So Google team will basically review application by the end of spring 2026, and they will update the individual status and the processes. So one more guideline is given in the resume section: attach and update resume. No cover letter is needed. It is clearly mentioned that in the higher education section, fill out the fields accordingly and select now attending under degree status. Then upload a current or recent unofficial or official transcript in English. So that is what how you have to attach your resume. So it's soon starting, and this is the direct link where you can apply. It's google.com/careers, applications, job results, and then associate product management. You can see the link here. You can save this link, and after 30th September, you can start applying up to 28th of October. The whole process I have already explained. So that's all I have to talk in this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get excellent opportunities like this with all the top notch and the other companies. Take care and bye.